So we came to set up our event, and they left the sprinklers on, and it is killing everything. Stage, all the tents, everything. He's getting so. Gotta love the bouncing business.
Party.
So we've survived the night's attack of the sprinklers for the most case. The units are wet, but maybe they'll dry out. The sun's out now, so maybe it'll get a little better.
Wave, Gabriel. You had to give me your phone. Where's your phone? Your phone is not. I don't know what's going on, but mine's like got a minute on it, and it says I got to delete some stuff, and I've already done it.
Oh no, it's.
You. Your other thing's full. Yeah, that means you're not going to get any video today. They're running out.
Maybe your actual phone is full.
Well, I went through and deleted stuff though. There we go. I had to go in my trash pile and clean it out. Do we need to move it back some, or is it okay right there? Okay. Being nosy. He wants to see what's going on too. I don't know if I can get it. There you go. Maybe I can.
Get squished. Back up, back up, back up. You get squished.
Get out my Get out my Get out my Get out my
All right, it's after dark, 6:30, 7 o'clock. We're still picking them up. The bookings have not stopped for some reason this year. I don't know what's going on, but we had 12 out this weekend, 12 or 13. We got another 5 or 6 going out on Thanksgiving, and then some more on next weekend. So it's just like keeps going, but that's good. You know, we'll take it. Maybe it'll keep going into December.